Another day, another haul from our favorite little yellow app. Everything is going to be linked in my bio. It will take you straight to the product and you can click on it and shop from there. So let's get started. First, this one didn't come with a box, but that's okay. She came with a little dust bag. She's so cute though. Like, I have not had a little Speedy since, God, it was like early high school. But this one is so cute. The quality is really good. The leather is very soft. It's not all crinkly, like it doesn't have creases in it or anything. Really, really good. And the gold, it's kind of picking up a little bit yellower in the video, but it's not as yellow as it's looking. And then it also comes with a little strap, really, really cute. Shipping for all of these usually takes at least a month, so be patient. I mean, packaging quality is 10 out of 10 on these, but let's take a look and see. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Really good little crossbody strap for this. I'm not gonna take it out because I need some scissors, but inside's really good. I really like the details of like the little covers that they send with them just to, you know, keep them clean and nice, but this will be linked in my bio. She's so cute. Next, we have a little summer sandal. We love her. Box quality is really good. Comes with a little dust bag. Y'all, these little slides are just so stinking cute. And they're just like different. Really good quality. It's just like coming out a little bit yellower than it actually is, but really, really cute. I got a size, let's see, what size did I get? I got a size 40, so these run a little small. I usually get a size 39 and I'm a size 8. So I would size up in these. They do, the 40s fit well. So yeah, if I got a 39, which is what I usually get, they would have been too small. But these will also be linked in my bio, and they're also little adjustable straps. Really, really cute. I love them. Perfect little summer moment. And then next, a little YSL moment. Box is pretty good. A little crunchy, but that's okay. She went through the mail, so. Little dust bag. She is so cute. Like when I say I'm like opening these today with y'all, they just came in and I was so excited. Let's get all this off. Sometimes these stickers are just so hard to come off. Let's go. Come on, little angel. Be nice for mommy. So while I'm getting this off, like I said, everything is going to be linked in my bio. It will take you to my beacons page, and on my beacons page, it will have each product with a picture, and you just click the picture and it will take you straight to the yellow app and you can order from there. And on my beacons page, it'll also have the description of which option to choose. Oh my God, she's so cute. Are you kidding me? And then I love this little detail. She slides instead of snaps. Really, really cute. 10 out of 10. Love this quality. She needs to sit out a little bit so she's not so crunchy, but really, really cute. Linked in my bio. And then lastly, I'm loving that Coach is coming back because I am a millennial and so I lived in the Coach era. But box is just plain little box that has Coach on the inside. She is so stinking cute. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Quality on this one, really good. The gold is really good. Let's take this off. She's so cute, oh my God. Has like the leather going in between the chain. Really cute. And I love like, it's giving like kind of like a westerny bullet vibe on the inside. Really cute. I love this. Oh my God. She is a moment. She has a little back pocket. Comes with a little Coach tag. Really, really cute. Let's see if we could focus on it. There you go. But yeah, this one, really, really cute. Just has like the little thing on the inside. Obsessed. Quality leather on this one, so good. The color of like the gold is like that tarnished Coachy gold that they usually have. So really cute. Everything is linked in my bio, and I hope y'all love today's haul. Have an amazing day.